A building is more than just a design or a structure. It is a living, working entity. So why aren't we treating it like one? Akila optimizes the total lifespan of a building, all inside one digital platform, using what has been called BIM, BAM, Boom. This approach optimizes building projects from start to finish, cutting costs every step of the way. In BIM, BAM, Boom, every building begins with building information modeling. BIM is a digital blueprint used to design every aspect of the structure and systems within a facility. BIM has enabled incredible advances during the design stage, allowing for unprecedented amounts of visibility, experimentation, collaboration, and compliance. But it's only part of the picture. Typically, for every dollar spent on design, another $20 are spent on construction and $60 will be spent operating a building. BIM shows more cost-cutting potential than used as a building assembly model during construction. BAM integrates increased collaboration with subcontractors, with material management and scheduling, making construction more efficient by eliminating system clashes, reducing waste materials and time. Used together, BIM and BAM can save up to 30% of the overall construction cost. BIM and BAM add value. But what happens once your facility is built and ready for operations? The operational stage of a building's lifespan accounts for 60 times the value of design and 3 times that of construction. That's where BOOM, Building Operation Optimization Modeling, comes in. Akila's Boom comes from integrating the BIM with building management systems, IoT sensors, and AI to create a living digital twin platform, which collects, analyzes, and acts on operational data. Boom cuts costs and creates savings across all of the real practical processes happening in a building on a daily basis. Energy, maintenance, and wellness services can all use Boom as a digitalized way to improve efficiency to become more responsive, to deliver a better building experience for all visitors, occupants, and stakeholders. In fact, Akila saves so much money during operations that it easily pays for the entire cost of design and construction over the lifetime of the building, while increasing its overall value. By using Akila to achieve BIM, BAM, Boom, you'll be empowered to manage your building's costs and environment impact better, generating value for years to come.